Another way we can find a limit is algebraically. So, to find the limit algebraically, you simply plug the value x is approaching into the function. So, in this problem, the limit as x goes to 5, for the equation x plus 5, the function x plus 5, what you would do is you would plug 5 into x plus 5, so the limit as x goes to 5 is 10, because 5 plus 5 equals 10. So what is the limit of x squared plus 2 as x approaches 50? And this is the notation that you would write it in. And we would plug 50 in for x, and you would solve that and get 2,502. So the limit of f of x as x approaches 50 is 2,502. Okay. What if they ask us what is the limit as x approaches infinity? So, in this problem, what is the limit of negative 5x to the third minus 2x plus 4 as x over x squared as x approaches infinity? So, the limit as x goes to infinity, what you would think you'd do is plug infinity in. So negative 5 times infinity to the third is equal to infinity minus 2 times infinity, which would be infinity, plus 4, which is infinity. And infinity squared is also equal to infinity. So we get infinity over infinity, but we cannot accept that as an answer. So you would divide every term by the highest term with the highest degree from the denominator. So x squared is the only term in the denominator, so we would divide every single term by x squared. So this is the original equation, and then you would divide it by x squared. So that simplifies down to negative 5 minus 2 over x plus 4 over x squared all over 1. And when we plug in infinity, you would get negative 5 times infinity, which is infinity, minus 2 over infinity, which is equal to 0, plus 4 over infinity, which is equal to 0. And so you would get infinity minus 0 plus 0, which is infinity. Remember that a number over infinity would be equal to 0, because as the number increases, the value gets smaller, and so it's getting closer and closer to 0. Okay. Example problem number 3. What is the limit as x goes to 1 for the function x squared minus 1 over x minus 1? So if you plug in 1, you would get 0 over 0, but that's not the right answer because that's undefined, because you cannot divide a number by 0. So if this happens, what you can do is factor it and simplify. So you get the limit as x goes to 1, x squared minus 1 over x, and you would factor that out, which is x plus 1 times x minus 1 all over x minus 1, so the x minus 1's cancel, and you're left with x plus 1. And when you plug 1 in, you get 2.